Okay guys, Maurice here with Converso Energy. Let me give you the latest update. Hung the battery, hung the inverter. Here's the backup panel, 100 amp backup panel. Okay. Come out here. Got the meter socket in the AC disco. So that's where we're at. Tomorrow we're going to be doing wiring and commissioning, and we'll be wrapping this project up. And if you're wondering what this is the EV charger. I'm going to cut this, bring it in on top, put it in the backup, along with his two AC units. He has a 30 amp and a 25 amp AC unit. Those are like 2.5 ton AC units. Put two of them in here, a kitchen lighting circuit and master bedroom lighting circuit in here, and AC couple these existing Solar Edge. We'll put it right here on the gym port, and he should be golden. All right, guys, remember, if you have any questions or whatever, give me a call at 505-600-1752 or visit conversoenergy.com.